Welcome to episode 5 of Tips to Take It Easy with Dr. Nikita Toshi. Today, let us know: is sleep deprivation harmful? Are you one of those people who think that sleep is a luxury that you can't afford? Do you often sacrifice your sleep to complete your work or binge watch your favorite TV show? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you might want to listen carefully, as lack of sleep impacts mental and physical well-being in the long run. Your body needs sleep to repair itself and to keep all your bodily functions in check. Sleep deprivation affects your mental health, ability to focus, attention span, decision making, and memory. But that's not all. Lack of sleep can impact your immune system, increasing the risk of developing chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Short-term effects of sleep deprivation often present as decreased ability to think and concentrate in work, deterioration in memory function, impaired judgment leading to risky decisions, tiredness and irritable behavior, drowsiness during the day. So, here are a few tips to maintain sleep hygiene. Start by creating a sleep schedule and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Prepare yourself for bed by following a set of consistent steps, like engaging in calming activities such as reading or stretching, and brushing. Stop using electronic gadgets, including your phones, at least 1 hour before bedtime. These devices keep your brain stimulated and also affect the circadian rhythm. Eat your dinner at least 2 hours before bedtime and keep it light. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Use your bed for sleeping and not for work or eating. Keep your bedroom calm, clean and comfortable. Set up the lights dim or dark while going to sleep. In case you have a non-stop train of thoughts stopping you from sleeping, pick up a diary, write down everything, and then sleep without worries. You may also practice relaxation techniques or yoga nidra for better sleep. If you find yourself struggling for good sleep even after practicing sleep hygiene, consult a doctor, because health conditions and hormonal imbalances can affect your sleep. By prioritizing consistent, high-quality sleep each day, you can better your health. Positive health impacts of good sleep each day can also make you more productive at work and smarter with decision-making. Found this video helpful? Click on the like button and share it with your family and friends. Have more questions? Ask us in the comments below. And subscribe to our channel for your dose of happy and healthy content.